Latin YouTuber, MrBeast. MrBeast is a famous YouTuber with 151 million subscribers. He uploads videos like playing Squid Game in real life and a unique content like Last to Leave. For example, Last to Leave for $50 million. MrBeast is an American YouTuber living in North Carolina, Greenville. MrBeast has done includes free quotes for everyone, caring blindness, Beast philanthropy, Team C's, Team Trees, and more. By using his influence for good, he has become a role model for his subscribers and inspired others to make a difference, including me. Thank you for listening to my presentation.